So today we're going to do my hair. I want to give my hair a break. Been rocking my hair natural, you know, ponytail, buns, all of the above, you know. But it's time to let it sit and not touch it. Initially I was gonna do braids, but then I thought the sewing would be faster. First, in order for my scalp not to itch so much, I need to wash it. So I'm gonna hop in the shower and wash my hair, condition it, and then blow dry it. My hair texture, if you're wondering, is 3C4A. And then occasionally you might find 3B in there. But I really got the African roots in me. What we're gonna do is just braid it, and we need some edge control, a nice comb that can separate the hair. I'm going to show you my little technique that I do when I install a wig or I do the sewing, frontal sewing. What I'm gonna do is do this part pretty big, right? And I'm going to braid it down. And then this area is going to be where I braid it smaller, right? So it's gonna have smaller sections so it can be flat on top, flat on the side. We crisscross. And then when you do this, look at that. Nice and flat. We're going to do the scalp method, baby. If you guys are into home renovation, I have some videos up with my home renovation and how I customize this bathroom. Yeah, and my entire house. So I'm doing a series on that, but in the meantime, I wanted to give y'all some hair tutorial videos on how to do hair, because we want to save money. Yeah, it's not a regular wig cap. This is a stocking cap. So what I like to do is put the got to be glued on my hand or like this. redo my needles. So I have a few here. I have about 3 or 4. There's 3 ready. You reuse your bundles. You have to place your bundles in the proper way, because if you run out, you run out, right? So this is what I like to do. It's gonna be a little bit on the complicated side, but it's gonna be okay. I'm going to double weft them, so I just fold them in half, and I'm gonna go in and start from the edge here to the other side. These waves are pretty cool. I like it. Thank you for watching. Yeah, bye.